Hello guys, today in this video I like to show you how to create a table in Tkinter using a Treeview. First of all, I'll create one file test. Okay, I'll call Tkinter module. I'll create a GUI using class on the concept of OOP. 720. I'll initialize the class using init function. Okay, now I'll give the parameter root in my function. If name is equals to main, root is equals to tk. I'll call the tk here and my class name. Okay, now I execute the Tkinter with main loop. Now I'll run my code. Here it is. Okay, so dot root dot title learning studio. Okay, self dot root dot geometry size. I'll give 700x 300. Okay, okay. Now I'll call the Treeview widget here. Table is equals to, okay, for that from Tkinter import ttk. I'll import the ttk and ttk dot Treeview self dot root. Okay, table dot pack site equals to top, fill equals to both. It will fill on both axes, x and y axis, and I'll just say expand is equals to true. Okay, now I'll run it. Okay, now table see, columns equals to, okay, id name and email. Run it. column. Okay, column. Okay, I have now 1 2 3 4 column here. 1 2 3. Okay, now what I'll do, Treeview dot column has 0, width equals to 0, and stretch equals to 0, and table dot column, here I'll give id and width equals to 100 and anchor equals to center, and table dot column name width equals to 100 anchor equals to center. In the same way, table dot column email width equals to 100 and anchor equals to center. Okay, now I have here 3 column, and I have also set the width of each column, and I have given the anchor center. That means the text will be shown in the center. Now I'll give the heading of each table from here. Table dot heading for 0, and for this is the initial row, so for that we don't give the text name, we'll just say the empty text, and anchor equals to center, and we'll continue with id heading id and text equals to id and anchor equals to center. Okay, now table dot heading, here name, and I'll say the text equals to name and anchor equals to center. In the same way, table dot heading, email, and text equals to email and anchor equals to center. Okay, that's it. Now I'll just run it. Now this is our table: ID, name, and email. Thank you for today.